In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with the clone stamp. It's a really useful tool to kind of eliminate something within the image. And what's good about it is that you're taking a texture that's already in the image and a sort of set of colors and applying it to a new spot. So in this image, I have a little bit of a shadow line where the paper got a little crinkled. So the first thing that I'm going to do is limit the area. I'm going to use this, this marquee, the rectangular marquee, and just kind of collect this area down here. I'll also just zoom in a little bit with Control+. Okay, so it's this part that I want to get rid of. So the clone stamp is right here. And basically what you do is you pick an area that you'd like to match. So I want to match this area right here down in this area. So what I do is I hold down the Alt key and click, and then I can start to apply that color. So it's basically mimicking the color that was up here into this new spot. This is a lot better than like trying to like use the paintbrush or just like fill with a solid color. You'll never get the same texture and pattern that way. Just to kind of illustrate another way that this works,